The 2021 BMW 4 Series Convertible debuts, bringing the new big kidney grille styling to the drop-top model. Prices start at $53,100. These open-roof coupes arrive in the United States in March 2021 for the rear-wheel drive variant, in July 2021 the all-wheel drive. The roof can open and close within 18 seconds and operates at up to 31 miles per hour. On the M440i, the owner can operate the top from the key fob, and this is an option for the 430i. BMW has already confirmed pricing for the 2021 4 Series Convertible range. 430i Convertible starts at $53,100. 430i xDrive Convertible comes in at $55,100. M440i Convertible starts at $64,000, and M440i xDrive Convertible starts at $66,000.